Where did you learn to count?
How long to propulsion?
Calculating.
Okay guys, I'm still on the test drive, and you can see so far everything seems to be very good. So I'm gonna be making a long test drive on the road and see what happens. And I wanna keep the car with me for a day and see if this issue is gonna come back, because he said it does go and come back sometimes. But this morning there is no luck. I see it already this morning. There is no luck. I repeat, no luck. It was completely red and it won't move. So the torque sensor, based on my own technical analysis, is not getting enough power, and that is why the power steering refused to work. I told you guys it's 8.5 volts I was getting right there, and it was really static. It wasn't moving up, and it was very specific. This is the main reason why I talk about VW cars. I cherish VW cars because it gives you a precise information. The engineering is on another level. If it's Toyota right now, I'm gonna be scratching my head to know exactly what the problem. But here, it was specific, right? You can see right there the relay that's causing that problem. It was specific, and with a little trick which I gave it right there, it quickly picked up. So the further update which I'm supposed to be giving on this very problem here is the relay replace. But I need to keep this car a whole day. Then the next morning I'm gonna start it up and see if this problem comes back. If it doesn't come back, then I've done what Napoleon could not do for England, and off I go. So I know you're watching this video right now. A lot of you guys are gonna be like, who are good, are gonna be showing some gratitude to them. But either ways, I've provided a solution to this very one right here, and it's all for you to use the information which I gave right there to fix yours. I hope this solves your problem without replacing that huge expenses of replacing the power steering. And as much as it's not just about that, even doing the programming, recoding the power steering and all the sensors that the ECU, the power steering, the steering assistance uses to make it work properly. So guys, I gotta catch you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, give us a thumbs up. I have to catch you guys later. Bye for now.